This concept is all about the dimensions of the teeth's clinical crown. So, the bigger the clinical crown, the greater the area of contact we have between teeth and aligner, the better. On the contrary, aligners on teeth with small clinical crowns can easily detach from the teeth, making impossible the expression of their elastic force. Alright, now I want you to focus on the dimensions of those clinical crowns. As you've noticed, they're elongated. They're long, and this means the aligner will have a lot more surface to express its forces on. Think for a second to try to unscrew a stubborn jar lid with just 2 fingers. It's hard, isn't it? Well, now try to unscrew it with your whole hand. It becomes easier. The same principle goes on here. The more surface you can apply a force to, the easier it will be to get the movement done. So the bigger the teeth are, the easier for the aligner to grasp them properly, and thus to exert a proper force on them. This other case shows us the exact opposite situation. Short clinical crowns, which don't give us a great area over which the aligner can exert its force. As you can see, premolars, that in this case should be retracted to correct class 2, would be hard to move in that direction because they're small. Also, the molars have short clinical crowns, and the more unfavorable the ratio between the crown surface and the root surface, the harder it will be for the aligner to get that tooth straight. When facing these kind of challenges, we can surely opt for placing some attachments. They increase the area on which the aligner can exert its force and gives sharp borders and concavities to the aligner to make it better grasp the teeth. But here, it just might not be enough. So I asked for something more specific: mandibular advancement. This way, we'll just reverse our strategy, and instead of retracting the upper teeth, we will advance the mandible. But we are not gonna cover this topic in detail, as I just want you to take home one important message. Small teeth means big problems.